This is numbers 5 and 6, and we're still simplifying. When we're doing this again, when we're trying to combine our like terms, we got to make sure that they're completely alike in order for us to be able to combine the coefficients. So we're going to look at this. We're going to need to simplify. If you see here, and again, you want to think, hey, that's 5 times 6, and then that's going to be 2 times 3. We'll go ahead and write this as 14 square root of, let's go ahead and write our prime factorization, 2 times 3 times 5. And then we have x times x, if it helps you see that in expanded form. So that's going to be this first term right here. Then we have a subtraction sign. Now let's go for this one. Well, when I look at this one here, I know that 4 and 3 are a factor of 12, so then I can just break that down to like 4 and 30, because 4 times 30 would be 120. 4 can be broken into 2 and 2, and 30 can be broken into 2 and 15, and then this one can be 3 and 5. All right, so let's go ahead and write this one down. So we have 7x square root of, we have 3 2s, a 3, and a 5. Now we're going to look for twins here. There are no twins in terms of my numbers on this, but I can take out this x. So I pull out just one of them, so it would be 14 times x. We'll combine the rest of these. 2 times 3 times 5 would be 30. Then we have a set of twins here, and that's it. So we have minus, we're going to pull it out, and again, multiplying it together, 7 times 2 is 14. There's still an x there, so we're done with that. Inside, we're going to remultiply these out, which again is going to give me 30. Now, if you look, when you're actually trying to decide if something is a like term or not, you want to basically just cover up the first numbers in front of them, the coefficients, and you want to look at the endings. And if you see this right here, this actually has the same ending, x squared to 30. These are like terms. So now we're going to combine the coefficients. We'll keep the base the same. Let's combine those coefficients. So it's 14 minus 14, which is 0. In other words, 0 times this whole mess here, which anything times 0 will always equal 0. On number 6, I'm going to go ahead and expand this. We're going to do 5 square root of 27 times 5 square root of 27. Now, when you multiply, you want to multiply the outsides, the coefficients. So we got 5 times 5 is 25. And then you want to multiply those insides, which when you have the same square root times itself, remember it's actually going to just come out of that radical symbol here, and that's actually going to make the number 27. So now we want to do 25 times 27, and that is going to be a total of 675. You don't need the radical symbol because you've used everything underneath it.